guys, here's part 2. Inside now. Yeah, this is crazy. Hold on guys, I'm gonna close my door real fast. Just torrential rain. Lots of wind and thunder. I wish it was dark, but it's not. There's supposed to be a lot more storms coming through tonight, so that'll be interesting. Alright, I'm gonna shut up now. Let's see what happens. I think more of the thunder's shifting off to the north now. Not quite sure though. The rain's definitely calmed down now. It's still really windy. I'd say those were definitely severe storms. 60-mile-an-hour winds. But yeah guys, I think I'm going to go ahead and stop this here, and get this video up for you guys before the next rounds come. I believe later this evening and tonight. So we'll see what happens. There's some more thunder. Yeah, it's all shifted off to the north and east now because these are moving. We just kind of got clipped by this, but it was a pretty big storm. So, alright guys, I'm going to get these videos up for you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. And, alright guys, peace out.